As I reflect on 2025, I'm blown away by what our team has accomplished. 2025 was a landmark year for Geoship, and we couldn't have done it without you, our community. Thanks for being on this journey with us. Here are some of the major milestones we achieved last year. We began continuous production here in Grass Valley, which is no small feat for a company manufacturing with a novel material in a first-of-its-kind manufacturing process. Second, we completed the full engineering of the AMA Founders Edition, the very first product we are bringing to market. Third, we secured factory-built housing approvals in the state of California. This provides us state-level approval to install the AMA home in hundreds of cities and counties throughout California, bypassing local reviews and inspections. It's also worth noting that California is the hardest state in the country to get certified in. Fourth, we started installation of our very first customer delivery, and we're on track to be complete in the next couple months. Watching that first full-scale Geoship go up and seeing how efficiently the team is executing has been so inspiring. Fifth, we've began moving forward with Unity Ridge in Nevada City, California. This is our first geodesic community. The permits are in hand, and this 7-lot development will be the first place where a community of Geoships will land. And lastly, our sales pipeline has crossed $500 million in reservations with deposits. This represents over 3,200 homes reserved by passionate future customers. These thresholds are what investors call de-risking events. They are significant milestones that prove we can execute on what we said we were going to do. Now, as we move into 2026, we're opening up new investment opportunities, and the timing matters. This funding carries us through this next pivotal phase. Specifically, it allows us to complete our first installations and focus on 4 key areas moving forward. In production, we will be investing in new material handling systems, which will be the first major step for manufacturing to start proving out our scale and cost down projections. In manufacturing, we plan on breaking ground on our first full-scale factory so we can begin to scale production and deliver more homes to our eager reservation holders. We will also begin executing on a comprehensive cost-down strategy, continuing our path to vertical integration, making more parts from GeoRock, and manufacturing more assemblies in-house. And last but not least, we're going to invest in operational infrastructure we need for national expansion and scale deliveries starting in 2027. Over these next couple quarters, we're looking to raise $30 million across a couple of tiered rounds. We're currently in the seed extension phase, providing the first opportunity to invest before we transition into launching our Series A. We've made a very intentional decision on how we're raising capital. We're building this company with you, our community, first, our customers, our raving fans. We're fulfilling on our promise to include retail investors every step of the way, empowering you to benefit from our success, not just large institutional investors. To date, we've raised over $16 million from nearly 4,000 investors, and we want to continue giving people like you who believe in this mission the opportunity to be steward owners in the future we're building together. So why participate as an investor? Why now? This is a pivotal moment for Geoship. We're on track to complete our first customer installation early this year. It's a major de-risking milestone that will allow the world to experience a full-scale Geoship home for the first time. Here's the timing opportunity. You can invest now at current seed level terms right before we achieve this milestone. Once we complete this first delivery, we'll be transitioning to our Series A. We're incredibly close to achieving this huge milestone, and your immediate support will help us cross the finish line. We're also entering a multi-trillion-dollar market that desperately needs what we're building. Homes that are healthy, resilient, affordable, sustainable, and scalable, solving all 5 of the major problems this industry faces through a single, elegant solution. If you've been waiting for the right moment, this is it. If you believe in what we're building, we'd be honored to have you join us. You can participate for as little as $888. If you're an accredited investor looking to make a larger investment, please reach out to us. Shoot us an email. Let's talk. Thanks for supporting us and joining us on this mission. Let's build the more beautiful world that we all know is possible together.